Here's a guide on how to use your brand new TerraComb. First, unbox your brand new TerraComb. Clean away any dust using a duster or hairdryer. Remove the clips found on the side of the TerraComb. Now, take the clips and slot them into the slots found on the sides of the TerraComb. Make sure they are in securely and that they are on the same side. Your TerraComb should now look like this. Now, safely climb a ladder to access the top of your air conditioning unit. Slip in one side of the TerraComb, followed by the other. Your air conditioning unit should now look like this. Turn on your air conditioning unit and enjoy fresh air from the comfort of your surroundings. Only with TerraComb.